welcome back to the channel. So today's Fashion Friday video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you guys how I went from this huge mess to this organized open wall wardrobe. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Turn on your notifications so you won't miss another upload from me. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So a lot of you guys know that I film and sleep and do everything in my bedroom, and I don't have that big of a closet space, and obviously you guys can tell that I have a lot of clothes and shoes and everything else. So I really needed to clean out my closet, and I really wanted to create some type of wardrobe style thing, and those things can get a bit pricey, especially the ones that I was looking at IKEA. It was ranging from like in the thousands. So those things are pretty pricey, and I was not about to pay that much for all of that. So this is perfect for college students that have like those small dorms and you just need to add that extra space, or if you're in a small apartment and you need that extra space, this is definitely perfect for this. Or if you're like me and you live with your parents and you literally only have this bedroom to work out of, this is going to be perfect for you. So it is very inexpensive, and let's go ahead and show you guys all of the stuff that I did. So look up on Pinterest some inspiration. That's what I did. I looked up some inspiration and kind of worked with everything that I had here. I did go out and purchase a few things, but none of the like cubes or shelves or anything like that I had to purchase because I already had it. So I worked with what I had, and I looked on Pinterest to see exactly what I could do and make with what I already had. So the first thing that I did was actually take everything off of there and wipe it down with Clorox wipes. You want to make sure it's very clean. As you guys know, in the beginning, this bookshelf was actually brown, and then the cube that I'm standing in front of was actually like a dark black brown color, and I wanted it to be white. I really like white. I feel like white really opens up the room and it makes everything look bright, especially on camera. I knew that I was going to move my mirror, so I wanted it to be like that bright, fresh white in my pictures. So I did go to Walmart and I did get some white paint. I got chalk paint. This is my first time ever painting with chalk paint. I normally just spray paint stuff, to be honest with you. It's cheaper, it's easier, and it dries faster. But this chalk paint was very convenient for me because I did this on a Sunday night, this past Sunday night, and I painted it at night, and it was dry by the time it actually dried in like 2 hours, but it was dry by the time I woke up in the morning. I painted it here in my bedroom, actually right here where I'm standing at. I painted it here, and it didn't have a scent. It didn't leave like that paint odor to what, you know, the fumes and all that kind of stuff. So if you want to do this, I would recommend using the chalk paint because it was just a lot easier. The only thing different I would have done is used a roller instead of a paintbrush because my arms was tired. The paint that I use, I believe it's by the brand Waverly, and it is chalk paint. It was about $6, and I did get 2 of them. I kind of wish I would have gotten 4 because I do wish that I would have added a couple more coats on the bookshelf. Not so much the cube. I feel like the cube came out pretty perfect, but the bookshelf, I guess because it was bigger, it kind of needed a little bit more coats because, as you guys can see, it kind of did chip off right there when I added in this shelf. But I did paint the bookshelf and I did paint the cube. So then the next thing that I did was I went and I organized everything to how I did. Again, like I said, I got all of my inspiration off of Pinterest. I'll link my Pinterest below if you guys want to follow me on Pinterest. But I got all of my inspiration off of Pinterest, and I kind of just figured out how I wanted it. I did kind of have to change some things around because I'm the type of person where if I see something that I like, I draw it out and then I go and do it how I drew it out. And that's exactly what I did there. I drew it out on a piece of paper and then put it where I wanted it to be. So as you guys can see, I added a shelf inside of the bookshelf here, and it is one of the shelves that is like it goes in a closet, so it has like that area where you can hang stuff on the bottom, and then it has the wire shelves at the top. I love these type of shelves, and we had a lot of them left over from our old place, so I just used 2 of them here. I added one up here, a longer one up here, and I added a little shorter one inside of the bookshelf. I added shelves to this cube. I saw a video on YouTube, I can't think of her name right now. She said that she got her shelves from Target for her cube, and it was just so cute. She had a 6 cube shelf like me, but she added 6 shelves, so it gave her a total of 12. I feel like I didn't need that many, so I just added 3 shelves into my cube, so it gave me 9 instead of 12. Only difference is my shelf is a lot older. I actually got this when I was in college, so that was about 3-4 years ago when I actually got this. So they don't really make the 12 by 12 cubes anymore. The ones that they have out now are 13 by 13, so all of the shelves that were in Target and other stores like that were too big, so we actually had to make my shelves. So I had some extra boards laying around, and my dad actually cut them into 12 by 12s for me, so they ended up fitting perfectly, and they look really good in this. I think the cube is like my favorite part because it looks so organized, and it came out exactly how I wanted it to, so I'm really excited about it. The hardest part, and I dreaded this part because I hate doing it, was the decluttering part. So I had to go through my closet, all of my clothes, and declutter it and keep it and just get rid of stuff. Like, I literally, these are all of my clothes now. Like, these are all of my clothes, so I had to get rid of a lot of stuff to be able to make it fit here, which is okay. I will admit that some of my clothes, half of my like summer clothes, are in my closet. I did keep a lot of summer stuff inside of my closet, but like my winter and fall stuff, it's all here. So I had to get rid of a lot of stuff. So what I did was I broke it up into 4 piles. Most people do 3 piles. I did 4. I put one in a sale pile for my Poshmark, a donating pile to give to Goodwill, and then one in a keep pile to keep obviously here, and then one in a throwaway pile because a lot of my stuff did either get messed up in my closet, or either it was just, I didn't wear it anymore. I either couldn't fit it, or it was too big, too little. It was like, why did I ever buy this? Why did I ever buy this? So I had to get rid of a lot of stuff and make it all work. So I hate decluttering stuff, but you have to do it. You have to declutter your life sometimes, guys. You really do. And organizing everything and adding decor. So I decided to organize by color coordinated. I've always been the type of person to do color coordinating if it was like inside of my closet or just any type of thing, because I feel like it looks the best. It's very organized, and you know where everything is at because you know, oh, I have this color sweater, it should be in the red section, you know. So color coordinating, it's just always worked out easier for me. I added all of my jackets here onto this shelf here. I added some hats up top here, and then I added cardigans over here and sweaters and sweatshirts. The last bottom rows down here are shoes, and then over here I did jeans and t-shirts. And I even added these drawers, these bins here. The top 2 are like underclothes, bras and underwear, and then the bottom ones are pajamas and leggings and camis and stuff. And then I decided to do shirts on the 4 open ones. I did go out and buy these shelf organizers, the hanging shelf organizers. I decided to get 2. These things are really cheap. They're only $4.88 from Walmart. I thought it was going to be like $15 or $16 because that's how much they used to be, but they're really cheap. So I got the 10 one for some extra shoe space over here because I needed extra shoe space. These 3 shelves was not enough. And then I also got the 6 shelf one, which pretty much is made for like clothes and stuff. So I went ahead and got that one, and I added some shirts, some extra shirts and dresses and some more jeans into this one. So you pretty much can do anything with these. My shades, now you guys obviously can see that I have a lot of shades. I wear shades a lot. So over here what I did was I got one of these little wire baskets from the Dollar Tree. It's in the cooking section. I just have it on the wall sitting on 2 push pins, and I have these shades inside of that. I actually got that idea, I want to say I got it off of YouTube. I think either YouTube or Pinterest, but majority of the time that's where I get all of these ideas from. And then I also want to mention that I have these shelves hanging on each side of the bookshelf with over the door hangers. So if you decide to do this, there's like no way that you can hang it up unless you actually hang it on the shelf like this one is. But as you guys can see, I have them hanging with over the door hangers, and you can get these from the Dollar Tree. Another thing is adding a rug. Just adding a rug into a space just opens it up and it makes it look organized and cleaner. Sometimes it can make the space look a little bigger. And also adding a mirror. Now you guys know I love my mirror. I got it from TJ Maxx. It's so cute, and I just added it here because I do take those outfit pictures for Instagram, so this can just give me a little bit of cute background or something, you know. So yeah, like me and my dad put a lot of work into this, so I'm so very thankful for that, and it came out perfect. So I love it, and I'm happy that I was able to actually organize the stuff, because I don't know how I was living the way I was living, guys, to be honest with you. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how I organize my wardrobe, wall, closet thing, and I hope I gave you guys some good tips. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Turn on your notifications so you won't miss another upload from me, and I think that is about it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.